Hi guys, today I'm going to be reviewing the new Benefit Boi-ing Cakeless Concealers. And I am so excited for this. You guys know I love me some Benefit. And normally, I know you guys know I'm a little nervous to try out new concealers, but this one I'm super excited because it's full coverage. You know what? I was just going to do a single review on it, but I think I'll do one eye, not really like a versus type of thing, but I think I'll do one eye with my Tarte Shape Tape, and then the other eye I'll do with the new Benefit concealer just to see how it holds up against the one I normally use. So I have the shades number 4 and 5. I think I'm definitely going to want and need the number 3, but I'm going to use, I didn't want to wait to do this review, so I'm just going to use number 4. So the differences between 3 and 4, they're both light, but 4 is more on the cooler side. The undertone is cool, and then on number 3, it says it's neutral. I tend to like a more warmer concealer, so I will definitely choose neutral over cool. By the way, all these concealer reviews that I'm doing are not sponsored. I wish they were, but they're not. Okay, so for Benefit's concealers, it is a full coverage liquid concealer. There are 12 different shades ranging from fair to dark. So it does say it's 24-hour long wear, waterproof, and it's supposed to look smooth and not cakey. I mean, they don't have a lot of shades, but the colors they do have look pretty decent. I'll show you right here. Ranges. It does have a doe foot applicator, which I really love. Focus. Focus. Yeah, my Tarte one is, there were 2 different colors. My Tarte one's a lot warmer. So I'm going to go ahead and put Tarte on this side and then Benefit on this side. Tarte's brush is a little bit wider. Bigger. I really, really love the coverage on Tarte's, which is why I'm going to kind of use this one, because this is probably the one I use the most. Cover these bad boys up. I didn't really give too much info on, ooh, this feels really smooth. I didn't give too much info on the Tarte one just because I did it in my last video, so I probably should have, huh? I don't know, but this feels so smooth. Kind of looks like it's thick, but it doesn't feel like it. Blends out really nice. It looks really, really good. The coverage is amazing. Love it. I'm going to go ahead and set that with my powder that I normally use. And as always, I don't bake. I kind of just press it in. Oh, that's nice. Okay, I'm going to finish up the rest of my face and then I'll come back with an update.
3 hours later.
Okay, I'm back, guys. Sorry, I know I look crazy, but I just finished trying to recreate that Kim Kardashian. It's like a 90s look that she had on her for her new collection or whatever. Anyways, so I don't think you guys are gonna believe me when I tell you that I freaking love this concealer so far. Anyway, I really, 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 really love it. It is so good. And I almost want to say that it looks a little better than my Tarte. I can't believe I'm saying that. It doesn't look like it's dry. It looks super smooth, and there is literally zero creasing under my eyes. And I know I've told you guys this before, that no matter what concealer I use, it creases. I'm sure this may crease later on in the day because, again, I have a lot of fine lines under my eyes, and no matter what concealer I use, it creases anyways. But wow. I'm just looking like right under my eye because that's where my problem area is normally. I'm super impressed right now. I love it. Wow. I really like it so far. Up close, it looks so good. I will also wear it again before I upload this video, so I will leave comments or opinions or anything like that that I have after trying it again and wearing it all day long to see if anything's changed. But so far, right now, I love it. Definitely recommend trying it. Now, I'm pretty sure you guys are going to see me using this in almost every one of my videos because you know if I love something, I use it religiously. Let me know if you guys have tried it yet, if you're going to try it, what you think, and yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and thanks for watching.